Hello everybody, it is freezing cold outside. I'm going to be shooting this. I have no idea what this is called. I'm just going to call this the P226. I don't know if it's focusing on it or not. Probably not, I can't tell. Alright, it is freezing cold. I want to get this over with and enjoy. I hope nobody saw that. I think I missed. I really can't tell. I got one hit. Does that mean I'm good? Almost. Another miss. This is very uncomfortable to, what is it? Get a shot in the chamber. My hand hurts. Alright, well, this is my last shot. Another one fell out of here. Alright, well, I got like 2 shots out of like, I don't even know, not even 10. There's like 2 shots fell out when the mag came out, which doesn't help at all. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed. I am freezing cold, and have a nice day. For those of you that were interested, this is what I was shooting at. I believe this was the only bottle I hit. Everything else was a miss, except maybe the football, but either way. And also I have one other target set up in the background, but it kind of fell off as I was shooting, so I never got the chance to even try to hitting it. But yeah, that's it. A little behind the scenes thing. And maybe next time I will change it up a little bit. I got a new idea after I recorded this. Once again, this is Nurp, and I'm signing out. See you in 5 minutes. It's too windy. Hello everybody, Nurp here. This is kind of the aftermath of me shooting this. I don't know what it's called. I'm just going to call it the P226. Obviously, it's an airsoft little pistol. And yeah, it was fun shooting it. It was just really cold and kind of annoying since the mag fell out twice and caused me to lose like 1, 2, 3 shots. Mostly because the way the mag is set up, this little thing rocketed out of the pistol, and yeah, the bullets kind of flew out. I'll give you an example. There were 4 in there, I don't know if you can see it. and one came out just by it being removed from the pistol. Like literally, the second you press it, it'll launch. Oh, another shot came out. Okay, that's two that just got lost. Like I said, the second you release it, it springs itself out. And the last two shots just came out. Okay, good. Overall, I do like the pistol. Nothing really too complain-worthy about it. This isn't really a gun review video. I don't know why I'm reviewing this, but yeah, I guess I am reviewing this right now. Overall, I like the pistol. Compared to most other plastic ones that I have, you can somewhat field strip it and like clean it out or whatever. I'm not going to field strip it because I don't know how to, and I don't want to break the gun. So yeah, a little aftermath video. Feels good shooting again, not gonna lie. Even though I missed almost every single shot. I think I got one or two, I don't even remember. And yeah, that's about it. I'm really happy I got to shoot at least one time during the winter. I possibly might shoot again before it starts getting warm, but I can't even guarantee that. All I can say is, it's nice not having to worry about getting overheated. Like, I'm not gonna lie, wearing this head and the paws, my hands and face were completely, like, fine. They weren't hot, they weren't cold. Everything else, like my chest wearing this, and my legs were freezing. But no, my hands and my face, pretty warm. Alright, well, I'm gonna have other things to say. I guess I'll end this video here. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in 5 minutes. Peace!